Hello, everybody. Today's lesson is about complements, direct and indirect objects. First of all, a complement is a word or word group that completes the meaning of the verb. So, complement comes from completes. Every sentence has at least one subject and a verb. Often, a verb also needs a complement to make the sentence complete. Marlene brought what? Sandwiches. So, sandwiches is the complement. Carlos thanked whom? Carlos thanked her. So her is the complement. We were what? Hungry. Hungry is the complement. As you can see, here the complement was a noun. Here a pronoun, an object pronoun. Here an adjective, and this is true. A complement may be a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective. An adverb is never a complement. A complement is never part of a prepositional phrase. So if you have trouble finding the complement, cross out the prepositional phrases and then you have to look for the complement. We have two types of objects, the direct object and the indirect object. In order to differentiate between these two, you have to ask these questions. As for direct object, you have to ask whom or what with transitive verbs. As with intransitive verbs, you have to ask for an indirect object. To what? To whom? For what? For whom? Thinking verbs do not have indirect objects. An indirect object, like a direct object, is never in a prepositional phrase. A noun or pronoun that follows to or for is the object of preposition, not an indirect object. So pay attention, they are confusing. The object of preposition is confusing. Sometimes you mistaken it for the direct or indirect object. The prepositional phrase is taken away first thing. Like a direct object, an indirect object may be compound, of course.